This is the new hub 4 from Virgin Media. If you were to opt for the gig 1, you'll get this hub. We, however, are not on the gig 1 yet. It's available here in Yorkshire, but we have had a lot of issues which needed fixing before we could even think about speed. One of the engineers replaced the hub 3 with the hub 4, and I'm glad he did. The hub 4 is a lot better. Our plan at the moment is 200 download and 20 upload. In this video, I just thought I'll show you around the hub 4. If you are going to get one, you will know what to expect. This is made by a company called Aris. The hub 4 is a dual band modem and router in one. It's powered by Intel Puma 7 chipset. It offers 3x3 MIMO on the 2.4 GHz and 4x4 MIMO on the 5 GHz. At the front, the LED light, you are able to dim it or turn it off completely. At the bottom, it's got the settings password, SSID and the Wi-Fi password. At the top, ventilation. It does run hot, but they have said they are working on an update to make it run cooler. At the back, power cable, on-off switch, coaxial cable. I've got this extra part on mine as we were getting upstream issues. The third engineer that came out, he put this thing at the back. I've forgotten the name. It's working fine now. Do remember when you do connect the coaxial cable, push it in and then tighten it with the wrench that they give you. If an engineer comes out to fit it, you won't need to bother with the wrench. Reset button there. These two are for the telephone. If you were to get a phone service with them, it runs through the internet. However, from my understanding, if your internet goes down, your phone line is down as well. And you get 4 gigabit Ethernet ports. As you can see, mine, I have cables already on mine. One of them is running my access point in my home office. Other one is running my power line adapter. WPS button. The hub 4 is really good at connecting devices to the 5 GHz network, which is a lot stronger than the 2.4. I am still getting a few Wi-Fi issues. That's not anything to do with the ISP because the connection into my house is coming in perfect. Talking of Wi-Fi, I've reviewed a TP-Link Wi-Fi range extender. I'll leave a pop-up card if you're interested in watching that. If you have any questions about this hub, do ask me in the comment section below. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to watch more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.